I really did think that I was going to die and I wouldn't be able to grow up and do all the things that every child deserves to be able to do.
A few years ago this would have been science fiction, but now we can actually collect white blood cells from healthy donors and use them for their powerful immune effects by reprogramming them and asking them to go and hunt down leukemia when they're given back to patients.